Hey you guys, it's your girl adoredonnie. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I straighten my natural curly hair. So keep on watching. So first I'm going to prep my hair by washing my hair with Hairfinity's Gentle Cleanse shampoo and conditioning my hair with their Balanced Moisture Conditioner. Their products are silicone free, which is great for me because even though I try my best to stay away from silicones. Like if I see a product has a silicone in it, I just take note of that. But I try not to use a lot of products with silicones in them, because if I do, that creates buildup on my hair, since silicones are supposed to like protect the hair, which means that it is harder to wash the silicones out of your hair, and that changes your curl pattern, and you do not want that to happen. It also creates a fake shine. So yeah, if you don't look at the products that you are using, just look for silicone free products, because that is definitely what you want if you have natural hair.
Can I please hit it one more time? This be that I know I see it in your eyes. I'm going deep, gonna take over your mind.
After I detangle my hair, I'm going to take their strengthening amino mask so I can deep condition my hair. Y'all, before you straighten your hair, you definitely want to deep condition your hair. Like, this is why I said, like, I'm using silicone free products and I'm deep conditioning my hair before I straighten it. That's definitely what you want to do, because when you straighten your hair, you do not want that buildup from the silicones, and you definitely want to straighten your hair before you straighten it. So I just wrap a plastic bag around my hair, and I also wrap a towel to trap my body heat. And if you do have a sit under dryer, then you just do that. But if you don't, this is a great way to deep condition your hair. I probably left the deep conditioner in for a few hours because I was watching TV and I ate dinner. So just try to leave the deep conditioner in your hair for a good 30 minutes to an hour. So now I'm going to blow out my hair. Just before, I added coconut oil to protect my hair from the heat. If you use coconut oil, I use coconut oil like period with when I blow dry it and when I straighten my hair. The thing about coconut oil, you have to be careful with it, because if you use too much, then it's just gonna weigh your hair down. The thing is though, I have, like I said, I have coarse, thick hair, so coconut oil is great for me. Um, but if you have like fine hair, just use like a lighter oil or a heat protectant. Now with heat protectants, they do have silicones in them, but like I said earlier, silicones protect your hair. That's why it is better to prep your hair with silicone-free products, especially if you're going to use a heat protectant that has silicone in it. But if you do not want to use a heat protectant with silicone in it, then just look for a natural oil that works best for your hair. So when you blow drying your hair, you want to first make sure all the knots and tangles are out. And I'm just using a regular like detangling brush. And so when I brush my hair, I'm going to take the blow dryer and just go down and follow where my brush is. Now, as you can see, I do not have that little end piece that directs the heat to where I want it to go. I could not find it, y'all, at all. But you definitely want to have that, because it makes your hair much more straighter when you have that end piece. But I mean, if you do not have it, then it's okay. It's just going to probably take longer because it's not directing the heat in that one place.
I know what's on your mind. You ain't gotta tell me twice.
So usually whenever I'm done blow drying that part, I twist it to get it out the way. And since I'm done now, I'm just untwisting my hair, and I'm going to brush through it, make sure I got all the tangles out, and making sure that my hair is fully dry. You will see that I notice that my hair is kind of still tangled in the back and still kind of wet. So I go back and make sure it is dry.
Do it everywhere. You get Uber rights, acoustic love.
So usually I split this into 2 days. On the first day I wash, condition, deep condition my hair, and then blow dry it. And then on the next day, that's when I straighten it. That way the process doesn't take so long. But this really was very quick. Like, it probably took me about 30 minutes to wash and tangle my hair, and then another probably about 45 minutes to actually blow dry it out. And then when I straightened my hair, it only took like an hour. So it really did not take that long, like how it usually takes longer. So when you flat iron your hair, you first want to make sure you get the roots real good. And then we going to do the chase method, which is with the rat tail comb, and that just makes sure it just gets all the kinks out at your at your ends, because we all know when you straighten your hair, your ends be looking fried, y'all. Just be looking fried. So you just gotta make sure you get the kinks out with that rat tail comb. So if you have coarse, thick hair, you want to make sure that um, your flat iron is at like probably about 360 to 410. That way we make sure that it gets very straight. And what I have mine on is either 380 or 410. I cannot remember. So that's why it gets super straight like after going through it once. If you have it that high, you really should only go through it once. If you have fine hair, then your heat should be way lower than that. Just Google what level you should flat iron your hair at, and it'll basically tell you. So yeah.
This that get you right, tingling your spine.
So like I said, first you're going to add your heat protectant. In my case, it is coconut oil, and then you're going to make sure you got the kinks out with your brush, and then you're going to flat iron your roots to make sure you get the roots real good, and then you're going to do the chase method with the rat tail comb to make sure your ends are straight. So that is all I do when I straighten my hair. After I straighten my hair, I just trim my ends and then just add a little curl to it, and that is it.
Let me Superman your troubles. I'll put in days, I'll pull a double for you. In all night plane, only place we go is higher.
And we officially reached waist length after taking Hairfinity's healthy hair vitamins. This comparison is after I trimmed my hair also. Thanks you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!